Story 33. One of the viziers of a king treated his subordinates with kindness and sought the goodwill of his colleagues. Once he happened to be called to account by the king for something he had done, whereon his colleagues endeavored to effect his liberation. Those who guarded him treated him leniently, and the great men expatiated upon his good character to the Padshah till he renounced all further inquiry. A pious man who took cognizance of this affair said, "In order to gain the hearts of friends, sell even the garden of thy father. In order to boil the pot of well-wishers, burn even all the furniture of the house. Do good even to a malevolent fellow, tie up the mouth of the dog with a sop." Oh, we need to break the clingings and stuff. But certainly stuff like freedom and whatnot shouldn't be just, who you please, right? And who you displease.